Which of the following statement is correct regarding obligation of a taxpayer under GST? Answer D. Reason: under GST, every taxpayer is required to self-assess the tax payable and furnish a return for each tax period without waiting for assessment by authorities. Which of the following statements is correct regarding compliance verification under GST? Answer B. Reason: under GST, compliance verification is carried out through documentary checks such as records and returns rather than relying on physical controls like inspection. A registered person maintains records at a place other than principal place of business without declaration. Which of the following is correct? Answer C. Reason: if records are found at a place other than declared place of business, they may still be presumed to belong to the registered person unless proven otherwise. Which of the following is correct regarding warehouse operator or transporter maintaining records under GST? Answer A. Reason: warehouse operators and transporters must maintain records even if unregistered, and they are not required to enroll under GST solely for this purpose. Which of the following situations can lead to requirement of additional records under GST? Answer C. Reason: the Commissioner has the authority to notify specific class of taxpayers to maintain additional records for specified purposes. Which of the following is correct regarding format of accounts under GST? Answer D. Reason: GST law does not prescribe any specific format for maintaining accounts, providing flexibility to taxpayers. Which of the following is correct regarding maintenance of accounts under GST? Answer C. Reason: GST allows accounts to be maintained either manually or electronically depending on the convenience of the taxpayer. Which of the following statements is correct in the context of GST compliance system? Answer B. Reason: GST compliance system is based on scrutiny of returns and investigation using records maintained by the taxpayer, not physical verification.